Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today, a new week on Monday, November the 22nd, 2021. We have here in this daily newspaper an additional with six extra puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku, then the 2 stars, the 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. And those are puzzles I'm not interested. So total of six extra puzzles. All the links are below, but I only do three of them. Half of them, yes, because it's too much for me, time consuming if I do them all, because I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So, and for each puzzle, I need 15, maybe 20 minutes. If it's a hard one, maybe a half hour. So only three of them. And the first one I will do is a 3 stars Sudoku, a number 3719. All right, 3719. Before I start, I always count on printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, for a 3 stars puzzle, my time limit is 20 to 30 minutes to solve for 3 stars. Sometimes a 3 stars becomes a 4 stars. Yeah, if it's a hard one, I need more than 30 minutes to solve. But we will see if this one is a really 3 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 4 3s. 3 4s, 1 2 5s, 3 6s, 3 7s, 1 8, and 2 9s. So let me start with the 3 then. We have a lot of 3s. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There, 3, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Well, I cannot continue with the 3, I believe. I need to wait. Yeah. Need to wait. How about? Let me see. Which number can I pick? Yeah. Uh-huh. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, only place for the 6 should be there. Well, again, I cannot continue with the 6. Uh, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5. Let me think. How about? Yeah. Should be the 6. Yeah. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. Here another 4, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left. Well, cannot fill this yet. Should be the 2 and the 9. Yeah, 2 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4 in the last column. 4 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in the last row. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and the 9, let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other pair in this row should be the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. That means 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, 6. The 7 and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. Let me mark those. 7 and 8. Alright. Okay. Let me think. Okay. How about 2. Yeah. 5. I need pairs. Yeah. 3. Thinking. The hard part. That is the hard part. 8, 7, 3. Okay. 1. 1. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Let me put some numbers, it's taking too long. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1, could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 6 in this column. Wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, so the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no, need 2 places for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Aha. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, only place for the 7 should be there. To the 9, okay, to the 9. 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here a 5. So no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in the last column. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, no, needs to place for the 5. Could be here, could be there. This row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. Okay. That means we need an 8 in this column. 5 missing numbers. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Alright. Think. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. Okay, so here we have 8. We have a pair. 7 and an 8 in. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have a 7 and an 8 in this row. So no 7 and an 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 and an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 7 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. And I've eliminated the 6, 7 and the 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Okay, here we have a pair, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. That means 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. Here also 7 and 8, a pair. Okay. So, what are the other 3 missing numbers here? The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 159, and look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. The 9 goes together with the 5 as a pair, 9 and a 5. That means 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the number, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 9 in this column. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Yeah, we have a pair again. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places for the 8 together with the 5. We have a pair 8 and a 5. That means 1 box left in this big square. For the number 1, the 2 is missing. Alright, a lot of pairs. Okay. Let me think. 7 and 8. The 6 is also, yeah. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here another 6 in this column, so no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. Okay, 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. Yes, 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 6. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, so 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. Almost forget these 2 numbers. But now the 2 final numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Oh, not 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here. The 4 and the 6, I believe. Yeah, 4 and the 6. Almost made the mistake. 4 and the 6. Well, the 6 goes here. Yes. Double check. 6, 6, 6. Correct. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 18 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. A binary puzzle and a tectonic one. And the tectonic one, yes, this one, only 9 given numbers. So I'm interested. I think this one will be a hard one. We will see. Alright. Bye-bye for now.